Hey lovely, ever wake up before a big event, look in the mirror and just feel, blah? Forget those tutorials that only offer a temporary fix. Today, I'll show you how to reveal your skin's real natural radiance in just 24 hours. No filters, no expensive treatments. I've got 5 essential easy steps for an instant glow up. Ready to transform your skin from dull to dazzling? Let's dive in. First, let's start from within. Because achieving that coveted radiant glow isn't just about what you put on your skin, it's deeply connected to your internal health and well-being. We're talking about nourishing your body from the inside out to unlock your skin's natural luminosity. Our secret weapon? A morning detox drink. This isn't just any beverage. It's a carefully crafted elixir designed to kickstart your metabolism and gently cleanse your system. The base of our glow-getting potion? Simple, yet effective. Mix warm water. Warm water is incredibly gentle on your digestive system and helps to stimulate detoxification processes. Next, add the juice of half a lemon. Freshly squeezed is always best to maximize the vitamin content and benefits. And finally, a pinch of turmeric. This golden spice is a powerhouse of antioxidants. Lemon's vitamin C brightens and detoxes, giving your skin a healthy, vibrant appearance. It also helps to boost collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity. While turmeric calms inflammation throughout your body, which can often manifest as skin issues like acne or redness. Drink this on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. This allows the ingredients to work their magic most effectively, helping to flush out toxins and boost your skin's clarity from the inside out. Remember, healthy gut, healthy skin. The gut-skin axis is a real thing, and nurturing your gut health is crucial for achieving a radiant complexion. This simple habit, when incorporated into your daily routine, sets the stage for a real, lasting glow that radiates from within. Remember, true radiance starts from the inside, with the choices you make for your overall health and well-being. Now that we've nourished our bodies from within, let's wake up your face with a refreshing cleanse. Alright, let's talk quick fixes. We all have those days when our skin needs a little pick-me-up, right? Well, I'm about to share my absolute favorite, the ice massage. It's simple, effective, and oh so refreshing. Trust me, your skin will thank you for this one. First things first, grab a few ice cubes. Now this is important. Never apply ice directly to your skin. That can be a bit harsh. Instead, wrap those ice cubes snugly in a soft, clean cloth. A washcloth or even a thin towel works perfectly. This will protect your skin while still delivering that amazing cold therapy. Now for the magic. Gently massage your face with the cloth-wrapped ice in small circular motions. We're not scrubbing here, just a light, soothing massage. Aim for about 2 minutes total. This is your moment of zen, so relax and enjoy the cool sensation. Pay special attention to your forehead, under eyes, especially if you're prone to puffiness in that area, cheeks, and along your jawline. This can help define your features and reduce any tension you might be holding there. The cold temperature works wonders to reduce puffiness, making you look more awake and refreshed. It also tightens pores, giving your skin a smoother, more refined appearance. And the best part? It instantly revives your skin, leaving you with a healthy, radiant glow. Think of it as a natural primer, prepping your skin for makeup, and a wake-up call all in one. It's the perfect way to start your day, or to give your skin a boost before a night out. The ice massage also boosts circulation, bringing fresh blood flow to the surface of your skin, resulting in that coveted, healthy, rosy glow. Just 2 minutes and you'll look and feel incredibly refreshed and energized. It's a game changer, I promise. Now that we've woken up our skin, let's take it to the next level. Let's get glowing with a DIY mask. Next up, my go-to natural glow face mask. Mix 1 teaspoon each of raw honey and plain yogurt, plus a pinch of turmeric. Honey hydrates, yogurt gently exfoliates, and turmeric brightens. Apply a thin layer, relax for 15 minutes, then rinse off. Your skin will feel soft, hydrated, and instantly more radiant. It's the perfect trifecta for a quick glow-up. Now let's lock in that moisture. Hydration is key for lasting glow. Start with a hydrating mist or toner on damp skin. Follow with a serum. Think hyaluronic acid or vitamin C for plumpness and brightness. Finish with a lightweight moisturizer to seal it all in. Layering light products keeps skin dewy, not greasy. This moisture sandwich keeps your glow going all day. Ready for the final step? Let's talk beauty sleep. Nighttime is a crucial period when your skin actively repairs itself from the day's environmental stressors and damage. It's a time of intense cellular regeneration and renewal, so don't waste it. Maximize this opportunity to enhance your skin's natural healing processes. Think of it as giving your skin a nightly spa treatment while you sleep. One simple yet effective change you can make is to switch to a silk or satin pillowcase. These materials are much gentler on your skin, helping to prevent friction and subsequent moisture loss throughout the night. Cotton can actually absorb moisture from your skin, leaving it feeling dry and depleted. Before bed, after cleansing and toning, use a richer cream or a luxurious sleeping mask. These are specially formulated to provide intense hydration and nourishment while you sleep. Look for products with beneficial ingredients like ceramides, which help to strengthen the skin's barrier, or peptides, which can stimulate collagen production for a more youthful appearance. Create an optimal sleep environment by sleeping in a cool, dark room. This encourages the production of melatonin, a hormone that promotes restful sleep and has antioxidant benefits for the skin. Combat dryness and further enhance hydration by using a humidifier in your bedroom. The added moisture in the air can prevent your skin from drying out overnight. Make it a priority to aim for 7-9 hours of quality, uninterrupted sleep each night. This is the sweet spot for allowing your skin to fully repair and rejuvenate. Embrace the results of your efforts and wake up each morning with skin that's not only truly rested, but also visibly glowing with health and vitality. Now, a quick personal tip before we wrap up. Consistency is key. Make these practices a regular part of your nightly routine to see the best and most lasting results. I used to struggle with dull skin and low confidence until I found these daily steps, and a supplement called Foli Prime. It supports both skin and hair from within, thanks to ingredients like turmeric and biotin. Remember, your glow is about self-love and confidence, not just products. You're beautiful right now, no filter needed. If you found this helpful, subscribe and share. Check the description for more info. Until next time, stay radiant.